Italy and GCAP November 2025 update on the next-gen fighter jet. Rome, London, Tokyo. In November 2025, the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP, the joint UK-Italy-Japan effort to develop a sixth-generation combat aircraft, continues to advance, highlighting both momentum and emerging challenges. Key November 2025 developments. Governance and leadership structure firmed up. Italy, the UK, and Japan reaffirmed their commitment to GCAP, underscoring strong trilateral cooperation. The GCAP International Governmental Organization, GIGO, the program's governing body, is headquartered in the UK. The first CEO of the joint industrial venture, Edgewing, will come from Italy, reflecting balanced leadership. The first GCAP agency head is from Japan, according to official GCAP statements. Edgewing joint venture operating at pace. The industrial partners, Leonardo, Italy, BAE Systems, UK, and JEIAC, Japan, have launched the Edgewing JV. Edgewing will lead the design and development of the GCAP aircraft, acting as the design authority across the program's life cycle. The equal shareholding underscores the program's balanced industrial architecture. Strategic expansion on the horizon. Talks are reportedly continuing among the three GCAP nations to invite India to join the program as a way to share development costs and reinforce Indo-Pacific defense ties. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia remains under consideration. Italy has expressed favorable views about Riyadh joining GCAP, though key details, governance, technology sharing, are still under negotiation. Industrial and technical cooperation deepens. A propulsion consortium has been strengthened. Avio Aero, Italy, is collaborating with Rolls-Royce UK and IHI, Japan, to develop the GCAP engine, aiming for seamless integration and shared workshare. Policy analysts, IAI, highlight that GCAP is built on sovereignty-friendly principles, allowing each country freedom of action and freedom of modification of the core platform, a contrast with more restrictive programs. Political friction and technology sharing concerns. Despite the enthusiasm, Italy's defense minister, Guido Crosetto, has publicly expressed concern that Britain is holding back on sharing certain key technologies within GCAP. This issue underscores tension over how to balance national industrial interests with genuine technology sharing in a multilateral program. Timeline affirmed, but pressure builds. The partners continue to target 2035 for the jet's service entry, aligning with GCAP's original roadmap. However, as costs mount and the technical complexity increases, all three nations face growing pressure to ensure the program stays on schedule, both politically and industrially. Strategic implications. For Italy, GCAP offers a pathway to strengthen its aerospace and defense industrial base, especially via Leonardo and Avio Aero, while boosting Italy's strategic autonomy. For European defense, the program underscores a shift toward more integrated yet sovereign defense cooperation beyond traditional alliances. Geopolitical reach. Possible inclusion of India or Saudi Arabia could reshape the strategic landscape, reinforcing GCAP as a major international defense platform. Risk exposure. Technology sharing disputes, like the ones Italy raises, and budget pressures may threaten long-term cohesion.